Hello and welcome to IPA. Let's take a look at the IPA showroom products, scrubEx and alEx. Here we are at the scrubEx large volume dispenser. This LVD has 128 slots which can hold scrub tops and bottoms in a pair. We'll take our hospital badge and we'll scan. On the badge reader, we'll be recognized and we'll choose scrubs to dispense scrubs or jackets, whichever you need. Open door number 2. Open the door here, and we have a clean set of scrub top and bottom. Close the door. Check our credits. Ooh, credits have been deducted. Now this scrub top and bottom pair is going to be used throughout the day. We have simulated a long day at work. Let's deposit these into the large volume receiver. Here we are at the scrubEx large volume receiver, the LVR. Scan our badge again. We will select scrubs because we're returning a scrub set. Return, open this door, very easy to open. The door will sit open. We can take our top and bottom pair, separate them by top and bottom, place them in the bin, and gently flick the door shut. The garments will fall through, be counted, and then we'll get our credit update on the screen. Our return was successful, and we got our credits back. Excellent. Let's take a look at the medium volume machine. Now this medium volume machine is a combination of the scrubEx large volume dispenser and the scrubEx large volume receiver. It's got the LVD top and the LVR top combined. Operation here will be very similar. Same credits, same taking, same returning. Scanning our badge, we see a quick option to dispense or return. This allows you to operate the machine as a large volume dispenser or a receiver. Now, let's talk about alEx, Automated Linen Exchange. We have 2 alEx solutions for your linen products. First, we have the alEx SD. This alEx SD, or single dispense, is an assistant to your hospital linen controls by allowing the EMS or ambulance truck drivers to each be issued their own special badge. When they scan in on this unit, similar to a large volume dispenser on the scrubEx line, they will receive 1 linen pack for their gurney replacements when they drop off patients at hospitals. This allows a separation of the linen for ambulance drivers from the linen for the rest of the hospital. Up next, we have our alEx Automated Linen Center. This is called the Linen Center 2.0. This machine is designed to prevent unauthorized access from patients and other staff outside of the hospital. The hospital staff can use their badge, scan in as normal, the door will go up, the lights will come on, and all of the linen that's available will be promptly displayed. As a user, we can take a stack of linens that we may need. We'll say I've got a lot of washclothing to do, no problem there. We've got our items. We're ready to close the machine. There's a timer on the door, which will count down to 0. This timer is customizable to each hospital and area, and when it reaches 0, the doors will close automatically. This prevents infection prevention control situations, such as JACO inspections, where all carts should be covered. This one will cover itself. If I need to leave early, I can press close. The door will shut itself as well, and the transaction is over. The door closes slowly to prevent anyone reaching in, and the doors will automatically stop in the event that someone reaches in and the door touches them. As a linen loader, or placing things back into the machines, I can take the same badge, scan in, the door will open, and I can simply place these items on the shelf, similar to stocking an entire machine. There we are. Washcloths have been returned. Pressing close. We get another closing action, door goes down, and then we're ready to be used again. These machines can hold several hundred pounds of linen and are comparable to all the linen carts, plus the automated control systems. Next up, we've got an addition to our scrubEx LVD and LVR solutions. This is called the scrubBank. These machines are large-scale forms for mixed sizes, such as scrubEx combinations top, bottom, small, large that need to be varied greatly between standardized sizes. This is a mixed size solution for large-scale scrubEx use. Thank you for joining us in this IPA showroom today for our demonstration of the scrubEx, alEx, and scrubBank products. For any more information and assistance in our products, please reach out to your local IPA representative. Thank you. I'll see you around.